Introducing HP's new automation capabilities for industrial 3D printing with the HP Jet Fusion 3D Automation Accessory and the HP Jet Fusion 3D Powder Handling Automation Solution. Achieve a whole new level of productivity for at-scale production via reduced manual labor and increased operational efficiency. The HP Jet Fusion 3D Automation Accessory is a production system add-on for your 5200 series 3D printers, enabling more predictable, controlled, and automated continuous printing. With the automatic exchange of build units, you don't have to stop production, allowing you to run 2 consecutive builds without the need for human intervention. Lower your costs with less idle time and reduced manual labor, and achieve new levels of productivity, extending prints to nights and weekends with shorter time to part. And for additional automation opportunities, on top of multi-jet fusion capabilities, HP 3D Automation Accessory is also ready for further integration with autonomous mobile robots. The HP Jet Fusion 3D Powder Handling Automation Solution is an end-to-end automated powder management system that drives higher productivity, reduces manual labor, minimizes material waste, and delivers improved quality control processes and operational traceability. Before printing can start, fresh material transfers automatically from the offloading station to the HP Jet Fusion 3D loading station, according to your set material mix ratio. The recycled material from completed print jobs is collected, checked for quality, and stored at various stages of the 3D printing process, including extraction, unpacking, and cleaning. Recycled material is separately collected from emptying and cleaning the build unit in the extraction station, as well as unpacking in the automatic unpacking station. Recycled material from different sources is then stored in the depository before passing to the homogenizer, where it is mixed to ensure consistency. All recycled material then joins the fresh material in the HP Jet Fusion 3D loading station, where they are mixed, sieved, and loaded into the build unit. Now the build unit is prepped for printing. Once the print job is complete, the build is extracted to the natural cooling unit, and the build unit is emptied and cleaned in the HP Jet Fusion 3D extraction station. The natural cooling unit continues on to the automatic unpacking station for unpacking and cleaning. Increase your capacity through automated material handling that supports multiple HP 3D printing solutions. You'll lower your costs with optimized material management, increase your productivity with shorter cycle times, and achieve consistent material quality with established quality control and traceability. With HP's new automation capabilities, optimize your HP 3D experience and enjoy consistent results through automation that speeds time to part.